I am Mr. Gant, Project Management. Lesson number 7, Organizational Breakdown Structure, or OBS. Objective: student will learn and familiarize how the OBS environment works. What is an OBS? The Organizational Breakdown Structure, or OBS, is a hierarchical arrangement of organization's project management structure. What are the attributes of OBS? Assigned to the enterprise project structure, project and WBS, to control user access to the projects. There can be only one root OBS element. Defined or maintained by the Primavera administrator. Always match the levels of OBS in that EPS, project and WBS. An EPS node can have or many OBS levels, assigned dependent upon the company's management structure. Projects added to a specific EPS node automatically inherit the OBS assigned to the node. User access and privileges to the EPS, projects and WBS nodes are implemented through OBS. Setting up an OBS structure. This OBS dialog box is a high-level picture that enables you to set up your project management structure. OBS is composed of a root and elements. Plus-minus symbol. Symbol represents summarization of elements. You can collapse and expand an element. Command bar. Used to add, delete, cut, copy and paste an element. Up, down, left, and right arrow. Used to arrange, indent, outdent an element. OBS name and description. Assign a meaningful name to the OBS level in the General tab with brief description. Users tab. Assign or view the login name of the user and the project security profile. Responsibility tab. To view assigned responsibility throughout the enterprise. Let's go now to our class exercise. This is an OBS example we used in our previous LNG project construction. Let's go now to P6 to do the exercise. Let's go to Enterprise then, OBS. OBS dialog box appears. Let's add an element. Type Level 2, Planning Manager. Let's add an element. Type Level 3, Planning Engineer. Let's speed up the process. We will discuss the Users and Responsibility tab in the security lesson.